Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about the iron ring ceremony. My story of iron ring originated at my first job where my engineering director asked me if I had an iron ring. I said no, but that led me to dig deeper into the question how to get an iron ring. Found out it's relatively an easy process to get it. We'll discuss how to get an iron ring inside Canada. You guys know that any engineer, be it an international or a Canadian graduated engineer, would be able to get the iron ring. We'll discuss the process in detail in this video. The ritual of iron ring is administered by a body called the Corporation of Seven Wardens. The seven past presidents of the Engineering Institute of Canada in 1922 were the original seven wardens. The corporation is responsible for administering and maintaining the ritual, and in order to do so, creates camps across various locations inside Canada. Disclaimer: the ritual is not connected with any university or any engineering organization. The corporation is an entirely independent body. The ritual has been copyrighted in Canada and the United States. Eligibility for the iron ring. Now we'll discuss that. Any engineer registered with a provincial engineering licensing body is eligible for iron ring. Internationally trained engineers are also eligible once they are registered as an engineer training or professional engineer with their engineering association. There are three things that you need to register for the iron ring ceremony. You need to register yourself for the ceremony and pay a fees, and that fees is anywhere between $25 to $40. If you are an international engineer, you will need your application to be signed by two professional engineers who has been obligated and have attended the iron ring ceremony in the past. And second thing is you need the Apex member ID number, or whichever association you are registered with, the member ID number from them. Third thing you would need is the ring size of your dominant pinky finger. Those are the three things that you need before you register for the iron ring ceremony. There are various camps inside Canada that conduct this ceremony. I will provide a link below where you can check the local camp in your area and register with them for the iron ring ceremony. We'll go over a little bit over my story. After I did the registration process, I received the invitation to attend the ceremony, which was a private ceremony, and my camp was number 25, and that was based at University of Regina, and it was the day of Saturday, November 25th, 2017, and the day of the ceremony. I was very excited to attend that ceremony. Before the start of ceremony, we were given the iron rings to be worn, and the ritual started with holding a iron chain, and then we took the oath. The ritual of calling an engineer has been instituted with the single end of directing the newly qualified engineer towards consciousness of the profession and its social significance, and indicating to the more experienced engineer their responsibilities in welcoming and supporting the newer engineers when they are ready to enter the profession. Why iron ring for the engineer and importance? Iron rings are worn by most Canadian engineers, reminding of their ethical obligations to live and work to a high standard of professional conduct and public service. The ring symbolizes the pride which engineers have in their profession, while simultaneously reminding them of their humility. So why you should wear iron ring? Point is, people can easily recognize you as an engineer. During one of my recent international trips, I had one of my fellow passengers recognize me as an engineer, and that led to a great conversation that we had about recent developments in the engineering world inside Canada, and he was excited to discuss various topics, and I think we had a fruitful conversation. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy engineering.